here's how to make a healthy alkaline salad. So you're going to need some lettuce leaves, not iceberg lettuce because that is GMO. So I usually use some sort of other alternative, and then you just need enough to cover your plate really. So 6 medium sized, whereas I had a few small ones, so I got about 8 leaves. And then you're going to need 1/4 of a cucumber, just to then cut into cubes, 6 cherry tomatoes, or use plum, but obviously not then 6, because they're the 2 good tomatoes. I got 5 tomatoes because that's what I had left. A handful of kale, but really just enough to then cover your lettuce, so then you have like layers. Fresh dill for garnish is then optional if you want to. Half an avocado, but I usually use a full one because they go off very quick after you cut them open. And then just herbs of your choice, for example sage, basil, parsley, to just sprinkle on top. I use about a teaspoon of like many herbs that I'll show you. And then you're going to need some other ingredients for the lemon tahini that I'll get onto when I do. So now I'm going to show you how I prepare it. So that should be how the actual salad base is looking. Now it's time for the herbs and then the dressing. So these are all the herbs I'm going to put on, about a teaspoon of every single one. So sage, tarragon, basil, parsley, oregano, thyme, and just a mixed herbs, and a pink Himalayan salt. I just sprinkle many herbs to cover the salad. So that's now the herbs done, and now lastly it's time for the lemon tahini dressing. So for this you're going to need about 1/4 of a lemon, 1/4, a tablespoon of tahini, a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of water, and some salt again, and then some honey. Just 1/2 teaspoon of honey. So all you've got to do is add all of them into a bowl and then whisk together. And then just get a spoon and cover your salad with your dressing. Now scran and enjoy. If you want to see how to make any other healthy Christmas food, have a look at the playlist on screen now. Merry Christmas.